Dear Dharma friends, welcome to this episode of the podcast provided by the Buddha's Practice Incorporated of Australia. Today, we will continue our deep exploration of the 50 skandha daemons, focusing on the section regarding the breaking of the skandha of consciousness. 1. Characteristics of the sphere of the skandha of consciousness. The sphere of the skandha of consciousness is the finer, more subtle level that the practitioner enters after the skandha of mental formations has been exhausted. It is the very first step of delusion. The skandha of consciousness is extremely subtle and difficult to perceive. Only when the subtle form does not sink can one discover the subtle mystery and realize the existence of the skandha of consciousness. However, at this stage, although the practitioner has extinguished generation and extinction, they are not yet perfected in the subtle essence of quiescent cessation. In the sphere of the skandha of consciousness, the practitioner needs to melt away the 6 gates, meaning to melt away the skandha of consciousness at the 6 sense roots, thereby achieving the perfection of merging and opening. This realizes the state of interpenetration and unhindered mastery of the 6 sense roots. When the skandha of consciousness is completely melted away and exhausted, the state of exhaustion of the skandha of consciousness is attained. 2. The state of exhaustion of the skandha of consciousness. If the skandha of consciousness is exhausted, then your present 6 sense roots will interpenetrate. From this interpenetration, one can enter the bodhisattva vajra dry wisdom, the wisdom of pure and unified self-nature. At this time, the perfectly bright refined mind arises and transforms within it, giving rise to function based on the self-nature and establishing all the merits and virtues of the Buddha. The final result is entering the Tathagata's ocean of wonderful adornment and perfecting body, returning to the realm of no attainment. 3. The 10 demonic states. These 10 demonic states all occur during the phase where the practitioner has exhausted all mental formations, extinguished generation and extinction, but is not yet perfected in the subtle essence of quiescent cessation. 1. Establishing the mind of attainment, leading to the fruit of that which is returned to. 2. Establishing the mind of ability, leading to the fruit of ability. 3. Establishing the mind of dependent cause, leading to the fruit of erroneous reckoning. 4. Reckoning the mind of perfect knowing, leading to the fruit of error and delusion. 5. Establishing the cause of delusive seeking, leading to the fruit of delusive hope. 6. Establishing the mind of perfect voidness, leading to the fruit of emptiness and annihilation. 7. Establishing the cause of fixed delusion, leading to the fruit of long labor. 8. Giving rise to the cause of wicked speculation, leading to the fruit of fiery dust. 9. Establishing the mind of perfect subtle response, leading to the fruit of inclining toward quiescent cessation. 10. Establishing the mind of perfect sudden enlightenment, leading to the fruit of profound clarity. 4. Conclusion. These demonic states arise because the skandha of consciousness and the use of the mind interact, hence giving rise to these positions. They are caused by the practitioner, in the process of breaking the skandha of consciousness, being stubbornly deluded and failing to measure themselves, resting content with the confused mind formed by their beloved former habits, mistaking a non-ultimate state for ultimate perfection. Thank you all for listening.